Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term, what is sounding? So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, what is sounding is a sexual practice involving urethral insertion. People use it when discussing intimate or medical related topics. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. What is sounding first showed up in medical terminology in the early 20th century and was later adopted by adult communities. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people exploring intimate health topics. Now let's check out how to use what is sounding in a sentence. Correct example 1. She explained that what is sounding involves inserting objects into the urethra safely. Correct example 2. I read an article about what is sounding and its safety precautions. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said what is sounding at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using what is sounding right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. What is sounding means a sexual practice involving urethral insertion. It started in medical terminology, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with what is sounding in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.